are you gonna unbox, Kara? Come on.
Sure. What the heck? It comes with a chart?
It comes with a
Oh, a bag?
Yeah.
bag. It's got a zipper on the bag. Chinese bag. You know what I think Balsam Hill actually is?
What?
It's like a Chinese tree that you could get anywhere else.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was looking at the stand and it was much like Mom's stand.
Yeah. Oh, the one that I saw in the garage.
No.
Is it heavy?
Two
Honey, it's in 3
sections.
parts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's like every tree, no? That's how
No.
all tree was.
Balsam Hill has a flip tree too.
Yeah.
It's just folded in half.
Oh, the stand goes in there? Where's the stand? Is it in there?
Okay, so 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. Stand in the bottom of the box.
Oh.
How much was this?
I don't remember.
It was like $1,000 by the time it got here.
It was actually bought after Christmas last year and it was half off. But I don't remember. I think I paid $700? Half off.
So that might be good value.
Yeah.
Maybe. Although the last tree we got rid of last year,
We had for how many years?
we had for almost 20 years.
Yeah.
Or 25 years. And that tree cost $600 or $700 when it was new. And that was a Michael Graves Target tree. All right, we found the perfect spot. How do you know that's the bottom?
I guess.
If you pull that little cone off, yeah. Is that pointed on the bottom?
Yeah.
That's the button.
Good. Oh, we may have to cut some tags off too.
Did you pull that?
Yeah. But
Wow, they have a ribbon with their own name on it.
but there's a tag on the bottom. See it?
So the pointed piece goes in.
I don't think that's right. Well, maybe it is.
It doesn't. Oh, okay.
Should I get a scissors? Right? Kara.
Should we just get scissors?
No.
Are we paying for nails on the weekly?
Nip?
She can't.
Can't even wear nails.
She can't.
Oh,
Here,
because
let
of
me
volleyball.
get a scissors, please.
Oh, there's a power cord.
Okay.
And the...
Wait, we have a piece in here. Is that supposed to go in?
No, I think it just holds it.
Oh.
It didn't say anything.
I am not sure about that piece.
Hold on, Kira. I gotta undo this, I think.
It's just a picture throwing it in the trash, so we'll see. Maybe that's a recycled
See,
picture.
Yeah, honey, we undo this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the red ones? Yes.
Okay. What did you say about that?
I said it has a little picture to dispose of. We're 3 minutes in already, and you guys don't,
We don't want Michael.
not going very quick.
No, I think that needs to stay like that, honey.
Yeah, that part probably stays in there. And you just, this is part inside the tree. This comes out. Okay.
And it just pulls.
Oh, that's it.
Hold on, Kira.
Get the other side.
Should we make sure it works? Oh.
Push the pit.
Well, stage 1 works. Nope, nope. Careful,
on, Kara.
careful, careful, careful. It's up here,
Kira, you gotta wait.
the top.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
Pull, pull a
Which
little
one,
bit.
honey? Being gentle.
Right there, right there, right there. Okay.
I think we should leave it like
Stage
that.
1. Okay, all right, sure.
No,
Sure.
before we put the rest on, aren't we fixing branches or
No,
are we not?
no.
We'll do that another
No.
day. Okay.
Another day. Well, that's part 2 today.
So interesting that they do it, they wrap it that way. Because you could unwrap it and then fold it out. But maybe they want it that way to cover the stem.
Yeah, that
so it
makes
looks
sense.
more realistic. I don't really...
I think so.
We could do it that way. I mean, they obviously do that on purpose.
Yeah.
So that they have it like that. I don't know any tree that actually looks like that in real life, but... And my tip to Kira is always just make it look like it would be
A real tree.
in the wild. In the bottom of that, does it have that same plastic thing? down in here?
Probably.
Yeah. So
Nope,
is
it does not. Because that's the electrical connector down there.
that makes sense.
What? Why? You should get her the scissors.
Yeah. Please don't.
I've got
Because you
this
could
far.
yank on it and then pull wiring, right?
Okay.
But that's why I'm holding it.
You're holding the wiring while you're pulling on it? Okay.
No, there's no wiring this is connected to. It's just this. Yeah, get a close-up of that.
I would suggest
Look,
just...
it wanted to come off.
Okay. I would suggest just the scissors for the future.
Here.
She already has it.
Hold it.
It,
Please
it
don't
has
do that.
something to line up. The arrow lines up with the arrow.
It might turn on. Because
It will. Nope, 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 don't turn it. There, look.
Feels like
See
it-
the little? Yep. There it is.
Yeah, that was fine.
Now unfold that one. How tall is this tree, honey?
I don't. 7? I don't remember.
We get a 7?
I think it's 7 feet.
Kind of all of them, sort of
How
at
tall was
once.
the old one?
8. No, it was 8. No, it was 8.
Is it?
Yep. We just trim it a little bit to get it to the top. Actually, I don't think we have 8-foot ceilings. I think we have 9.
Wait.
Oh, very good, honey. So she pulled that around because it was wrapped like that. She undid it like that so it doesn't strain it and pull it.
Okay.
Sure. Last section.
Here.
Seven minutes. And Macy's already has Black Friday. It started yesterday.
Really?
Did your daughter not tell you?
No.
She knew.
I didn't know.
You did. I told you last night.
That is a good height.
Well, it's gonna
I know. From the
What are you
back,
saying?
so-
It's going to get
pull
longer?
down.
It's not
No,
going to
it's
get
gonna a
longer.
little shorter.
Taller.
Careful, because of the light.
This all needs to be, it doesn't fold anymore. It needs to be.
Should I get the step stool or?
So these ones
It's
don't
like a
have
big
hinges.
bare tree.
Well, once we
Once we spruce it up.
Yeah.
clean it all up,
Still seems
then it
like
won't be.
there's not much to work with
Oh.
compared to the.
So what is your, well,
Look at this space.
the other
here.
tree
Wow.
was actually American made. And they do not make it anymore.
Well, go America. That's way better than this sparse thing.
Well,
What is balsam?
this is a Hallmark
European
Channel endorsed
Tree.
tree, you know, right? And Hallmark is your favorite station.
Like, how the heck are you supposed to?
Fill the holes.
You can't fill. Yeah.
I know.
Our daughter starts Christmas at what time of the year? June? It's about June, right?
Listening to songs.
The
Yeah,
only thing I do is
Yeah.
listen to music,
about
and
June.
I do that all the
You
time.
just turned it off. Honey.
Okay. All right. We said that we were not going to spruce it up. It was almost like a one bite challenge. It's 9 minutes and 5 seconds.
It's a world record.
Honey, are you going now shopping? That was your unboxing. There is nothing else. Oh, is there anything else?
What is that, Karen? I don't know.
What does that take off? Looks like a can opener.
What is that?
I don't know, but it came with instructions.
You know what? We'll put the. Why is this here?
Extra things. I just put that
Oh,
there.
these are
Extra thing.
replacement bulbs.
Here.
Okay.
So just put it all back in here where you got it. Where was it? Here?
Yeah.
And then
All right.
What's this?
Well, that's it. 9 minutes, 44 seconds to assemble it, put it on. It's going to take probably
Gloves?
3 hours
What in the
to fold it. What?
Yeah.
Gloves.
You get gloves.
So, lots of,
It's a special tree. So you put it on and then you do the branches so you don't poke your fingers.
Oh, right. Okay. We've never poked our fingers. All right. That is it. Make sure you, you know,
Where did I put those instructions? I think
spruce this up by making things go out. Don't just go straight out because that's not how trees look in real life. They sort of have a little kick up to them like that. And some of them actually grow straight down. So you can,
video.
yeah, sure. We'll do a part 2. See, I don't like when it does that stuff. It's hard to hide. Anyways, that's it. Enjoy your Balsam Hill Christmas tree.